welcome to my channel. So I decided I was gonna go for a summer sunset eyes, but I don't know how it ended up here because this is not a sunset eye. Anyway, after doing everything, I just decided that, oh, I'm feeling this look. This is something that I could rock like on my birthday, but of course I won't do anything for my birthday because I have to rest because I have work the next day. Yeah, but this is like a sweet, pretty look that you could do if you have any special events during the summer or birthday, to all my Leo women. Yeah, so I decided to do this look, guys, and I am loving it. I'm loving it. It's so pretty. Yeah, so I don't know. So if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing, I went ahead and I primed my eyes, my Aliexpress Pro concealer, and I used the Coty Spun powder to set the concealer. So I'm going to go in with my Saharan 2 palette, and I'm using this burnt orange shade as my transition shade. Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm gonna be using the Zulu palette, and I'm using this orange color, and I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna pat it onto my lids because I wanted the orange to be like very deep. And you're gonna see that I got some fallout from this color. I think it's because I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I just had fallout. I don't know why, but I had fallout. And then I'm going in with this orange, or actually this burgundy shade or color. This is coming from the same Saharan 2 palette. Then I went in and just blended out everything. Then I'm using my pencil brush now to just use this black from the Morphe 35B, and I'm just using that to define my crease so that when we go in with the cut crease, it's like very defined. Then I went in again with the burgundy shade to just blend out the black because I didn't want it to be so harsh. And I'm using my brush from Sylyne brush. And I'm using this, my favorite brush, guys, for cut crease, my Real Techniques detailer brush. And I'm using this now to cut the crease. As you can see, it is easy to use and it's very precise. And I'm using my Aliexpress Pro concealer in the color Fawn. Yeah, so just cutting my crease, as you can see. Okay guys, so what we're gonna be doing right here, I'm going to be using this pencil brush to just add this black shade, and basically what this is going to do is just going to deepen the outer V of my eye so that the cut crease can look, very cut crease. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this brush, and I'm using this from the Saharan 2 palette. And this is the burgundy, and I'm basically just mixing the burgundy with the red from the Morphe 35B palette. Yeah, and I'm gonna be using this color, and this is coming from the Masquerade palette. And I'm using this shade now, or this shimmery color, to just add it to that area where the area of my crease that I defined. Yeah, so we're gonna create the cut crease with that. We're gonna pack the shadow on the lid space. Yeah. And I'm using this concealer brush from the brush set, Sylyne brush set. If you want to see that brush set, I'll attach a link right now to the right of your screen, and you can go and check out those brushes if you are interested. And yeah, pretty much. So I just basically added it, and you know, follow the same crease that we created, that space, and just adding it. And I went ahead and did my brows. Yeah, and I was just like brushing it up. And yeah, we're finished with the eye portion. Well, partially. So I'm using my LA Girls Matte Pigment Gloss. And I just went ahead and I added some of the shimmery, the highlighter, the elf baked highlighter to my cupid's bow, so that I could add the lip gloss. I thought I was recording when I was doing this part, so this is the reason why, you know, I started before, because it wasn't recording. My camera like stopped. But anyway, I got a little portion of it. Now I'm gonna go in with this brush from my Ovani brush set. I'll attach the link if you want to see that video. And this is basically yeah, I'm using the same shade, the same burgundy looking color from the Saharan 2 palette to just, you know, add some of the same shadow to my lower lid. And yeah, just blending it out. And I think I went in with a burnt orange below just to smoke it out a bit, so that the edges, you know, were looking nice and blended. And I also went in with the burnt orange shade again at the, you know, outer view of my eyes, just to ensure that everything looks blended. And as you can see, I'm using the burnt orange. That's where I added the burnt orange. Then I'm using this this shade, this pink, this shimmery, not pink, what should I say? It's like white, but it looks pink. It's from the Saharan, the Magic palette actually. But this is nice shimmery shade. It looks white, but it's more pink. And I'm just adding that to highlight inner portions of my eyes. And then I went in and I added my mascara, my liner, and I added some lip gloss to the look, you know, and added my wig and everything. And this is my finished look, guys. I went in with some of my elf baked highlighter, and I just, you know, finished off the look. Yeah, and I just added some conditioner to my hair just to soften it a bit and to just get the curls nice and defined. And yeah, this is my finished look. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will really and truly appreciate it. So do enjoy the rest of the video. I'll be posing and doing all sorts of craziness. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.